and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a cool song here from NICO Santos and Fast Boy, great collab there. The song called Where You Are. So this is a dance song. It's playable on guitar. You actually hear this guitar in the beginning of this song. So let's take a look at this one. We have the capo set high up here on the 7th fret, and that is because we want the high notes combined with easy chords. So that's the reason. So capo on 7th. And let's take a look at the chords needed for this song. So we have A minor first. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the G next. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the D minor. That is open D, second G, third B, and first E. This is the main part of the song in this order: A minor, E minor, G, and D minor. We also need to have the F here because sometimes we're going to play this pre-chorus. So that's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Okay, so there you have all chords needed. So let's take a look at this main part. Like I mentioned, A minor, E minor, G, and D minor. We have one string pattern that covers 2 chords. So we'll look at the transition here from A minor to E minor, and then you will apply the same principle for the next 2 chords, G and D minor. So this one is a little bit different. If you listen to the introduction of this song here, then you will hear this guitar in the background there. So you're gonna start with A minor first. It goes like this. Okay, so that is first 2 downs, down, down, pause, and then 1 down. So that is part 1. Then you shift to part 2, the E minor chord in this case, and go down, down right after. So down, down, and then down, up, down, down. So down, 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 up, down, down. Okay? So the E minor was down, 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 up, down, down. And then you go over to the next half and apply the same principle there. G, you play that in the same way as A minor. So down, 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 and then D minor in the same way as E minor, part 2, down, 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 up, down, down. So slowly it goes like this. In the standard tempo, something like this. Alright, you're gonna play this almost through the entire song. Sometimes we have the pre-chords, and now we're just gonna use 1 down per chord. It goes down a little bit in tempo there and more of scale down vocals there, but with of course music in the background. You're gonna use F, 1 down, then G, 1 down, and then E minor, 1 down. After E minor you have a brief pause there, which builds up again for the main A minor, E minor, G, and D minor. And so on. And that pretty much wraps it up for NICO Santos, Fast Boys, Where You Are. Where are you guys? I want to hear you interact with me here, see your comments and your likes here in this tutorial or in this channel. Generally. So yeah, if you enjoy what I do, please follow me here and support me. Thank you for this time, and play tuned.